Let's take up the first question. Kabira of Karnataka is Shishunala Sharifa. The answer is Shishunala Sharifa. Second question. Kabir Das was the disciple of. The answer is Ramanand. Third question. The two-line poems of Kabir Das is called. The answer is Doha. Fourth one. The followers of Kabir Das were called Kabir Panthis. Fifth question. Shishunala Sharifa took Diksha from Govinda Bhatta. So with this, we complete answering the questions. Let's start today's class. Guru Nanak, 1469 to 1539 CE. Guru Nanak is the founder of the Sikh religion. He was born in 1469 CE at Talawandi in Punjab, presently in Pakistan. Mehta Kalu and Trupta were his parents. He stressed on good views of Hindu and Muslim religions. His songs, called as Japji, are in Granth Sahib, which is the sacred book of the Sikhs. So, which is the sacred book of the Sikhs? It is the Granth Sahib. The Sikh cult was given importance for japa and good deeds. He stressed on gender equality and had a great belief in the existence of God. He believed that God is one and eternal. Eternal means lasting forever. Okay? He said, one can gain Guru through bhakti, and with bhakti one can attain mukti. He opposed social evils like idol worshipping, casteism, sati system, etc. During one of his travels, he visited Karnataka. He stayed in Bidar, and the place is called Nanak Jhara, the sweet water spring. So the important points you're going to remember under Guru Nanak is he is the founder of the Sikh religion. His songs, which are popularly known as Japji, are in Granth Sahib. He stressed on gender equality. He proclaimed that God is one and not many. The place he stayed in Bidar is called as Nanak Jhara. So these are some important points you're going to remember about Guru Nanak. Mirabai, 1498 to 1569 CE. She was a Rajput princess and a devotee of Lord Krishna. She is a renowned saint of India and is called as Radha of Kali Yuga. She was born in a Rajput family in Rajasthan. She was the daughter of Raja Ratan Singh. She considered herself married to the Lord. Although she was married to a royal family in Mewar, as she was opposed from worshipping her Lord, she could not tolerate that and hence left to Vrindavan, the pilgrimage place of Sri Krishna. She loved philosophy from her childhood and she spent her time in offering puja, meditation and singing about her Lord. Her songs are full of devotion and love. She has remained eternal due to her thousands of bhajans. So the important points you will remember under Mirabai is Giridhar Gopal was her favorite god. She is called the Radha of Kali Yuga. She was married to the Prince of Mewar. She left to Brindavan, which is the pilgrimage place of Lord Krishna. She has remained eternal due to her thousands of bhajans. So with this, we complete today's class. You will have to make a note of the important points to remember in the upcoming slides. You also have an assignment to complete. Kindly try and attend the questions. We will discuss the answers for these questions in the next session and then start the next class. So till then, be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.